it has made. For now, if it was not the budget, Jet Airways would be the big story of the moment, because it still is. I mean, 17% higher on that stock and huge volumes getting traded there. Ashwini Gujral, Sudarshan Sukhani and Mitesh Thakkar are back with us. Sudarshan, I just want to get a quick comment from your end on Jet. I know you've not preferred aviation stocks in the past, but this is one stock you've tracked closely. The deal may be going through. Feb 14th is when it may get signed, is what reports are indicating. What do you do after the 16% rally?
Well, you sell Jet Airways shares if you have them. Do not buy them. We have heard this so many times and in so many different ways. Sonia, I've heard this about Kingfisher also when this was going on. I'm not saying, I'm not comparing the two, but we don't want to be in Jet.
Yeah, okay. Ashwini, I wanted to ask you before I come to your...
Before that,
yeah,
I just want to put this on board. After a 15% rally, if you're trying to, just agree with Sudarshan, because the price of the deal is going to be 150 rupees. I think the report also mentions that the stake would happen at 150 rupees per share. So current market price, of course, is 273 rupees per share, but the deal is happening at 150 rupees per share.
I had that story. Yes, we had the letter with us, so
exactly,
it was clearly 150.
You were making this point that the Jet's value perhaps would be somewhere close to 150 rupees per share and no more than that. And I think yes, right now the stock is up because obviously that the initial euphoria about deal going through is there, but obviously that deal is happening at 150 rupees per share. That point should not be forgotten, and that's why perhaps if you made money on Jet Airways, good time to book out, because the headwinds are always going to be with a business like this.
Absolutely. Okay, we have to get it's close to 10 a.m. and so we'll get the 10 a.m. trades. Ashwini, what are you trading?
Last time Jet deal happened at 800, so maybe Etihad is averaging down.
Okay.
Anyways, individual stocks, NBFCs, if the numbers are not too bad, could rally post the event. So Chola Mandalam is a buy with a stop of 1200, target of 1255. Bajaj Finance is a buy with a stop of 2590, target of 2650. And LIC Housing is a buy with a stop of 455, target of 480.
Okay, by the way, Jubilant Food is seeing a second day running. All right, I think there's some live visuals of the Finance Minister going to Parliament. So we're going to keep getting these visuals until we hear the budget speech. So they're going to flash for you on your screen in just a bit. But as I was saying, Jubilant Foods, second day running now, almost a 3% rally is what you're seeing. Mitesh Thakkar also joins in. Mitesh, any of these stocks, the consumption basket that attracts you, Jubilant Foods, Dabur, Marico, all rallying right now?
Does look like heading towards that side, 1350, 1360 odd levels. I also have in my calls a buy on HUL, again not exactly strictly a consumption but clearly an FMCG pick. So that's moved up slightly, but around 1770, 1775 could be bought with a stop below 1756 for targets of 1805. And the other call which I have is a buy on Dr. Reddy's with a stop at 2700 for targets of 2790.
Okay. I just want to point out DHFL is down another 7%, though it's off the lowest point, but down almost 7% on that. Ashwini, any trade on this one?
So it's in a free fall now, so I don't think you should be trading any kind of rally, 2-3% gap up on any day. That should invite more selling. So this is one of the casualties of the credit problems. So do not buy it under any circumstances.
Okay, so Sudarshan, what are the stocks you're trading at all at 10, and are you trading the index?
Yes, but before the stocks, let me talk quickly about the Nifty, because we were long yesterday morning below 700 and also on Wednesday afternoon at 650 onwards. This is a very good time to exit your long positions and take your profits. It's been a fantastic run for the last 1.5 days. Don't overstay. And in any case, do not stay long when the budget is being presented, not in the indices. That's the view on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. Later on, we can do whatever we like, but take your profits and go bank them.
Okay.
Britannia is a buying opportunity. I have a list of stocks that hopefully will be unaffected by whatever happens in the budget. So Britannia is a buy. The stock is in a roll anyway. Tech Mahindra is a buy. Kajaria Ceramics is finally coming out of a bear market. That's a buying opportunity. And Voltas, where a mild correction is getting over. So I'm staying away from the large caps and the big names.
Okay, well, yes, Voltas is a stock that you've been bullish on for a while. Thanks, guys, for joining us and giving us those technical trades. For now, it's holding up just about okay. It's a stable day for the market. Let's take a short break on that note. But up next, Adrian Movat, long-time observer of the emerging market space, will join in to give us his expectations from the interim budget. Stay tuned.